Make sure you hit that stump. They don't go right or left.
Can you see where they're going?
No, Ma, you're shooting into wood. There's no way. You gotta hit it. I think you might have been left, but who knows. I saw you hit the twig. That looked right and down. Couldn't tell.
That's it.
Or one more. Try for the box one more,
Oh,
just to
there we
be sure.
go. Yeah, I'll do the box. Try the box. You aimed high here?
Little tiny bit. I shot too high. Ah, see? Sometimes you don't count well.
Yeah. Did
Pull that hammer back and try one more, and then you'll know you're done with that thing. That's how you know.
Okay.
Squeeze it off.
Ooh.
That's okay.
Didn't mean to let it snap.
Yeah, and that would have shot.